Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels. I am actually on vacation and driving down to Nashville for a concert, and by sheer happenstance the charging station for my EV brought me to the National Corvette Museum. And if you ever have a chance, if you order a Corvette and you can feasibly do it, you can have a delivery done by Corvette specialist at the museum. We got two Corvettes here. This one's going to New Hampshire from what I tell by the tags. I love the coloring. I love everything on this Z06. Thing's a beauty. Oh, I love the orange on these. Also love this Riptide blue. Love the wheels on it. This one's going to Louisiana. And as you guys saw to start there, you got the Stingray grill. Of course, the Corvette Museum behind it. On the way back, I'm going to have to stop up here. I just don't have time today. I'm meeting people. Just got my 40 minutes to charge. But like I said, if you're ordering a C8, by all means, and if you can do it, do the delivery, museum delivery. I will have to look up. I can't remember how much it is. I want to say it's $9.95 or something like that. And if you're spending, especially on that Z06, easily starting at $120 something thousand, that one's probably significantly more. What's an extra $1,000? It's a whole different experience, and that's nothing against the guys who you're ordering them from. You still order them from your local dealership or wherever you order them from. But getting the personalized delivery experience, you get the museum tour, everything else. They are a thing of beauty, and it's an excellent opportunity. Thank you, everybody. I'm going to go back to my car. It's charging over there. And if you ever get a chance, come on down, check out the Corvette Museum.